Take a deep breath in and exhale slowly. Imagine any stagnant financial energy moving out of your body and away. This session is designed to renew your money flow and welcome abundance. I release all energetic blocks around money. I clear the path for wealth to flow easily. Money energy moves freely through me and around me. I let go of scarcity and embrace abundance. Prosperity flows in all areas of my life. I am open to receiving financial blessings. My financial flow is ever increasing and vibrant. I trust the process of wealth circulation. I dissolve resistance to abundance. My money stream becomes stronger each day. I am aligned with the flow of prosperity. I allow wealth to come from expected and unexpected sources. My thoughts attract a seamless money flow. I welcome abundance with an open heart. I flow with the financial rhythm of the universe. Financial opportunities move toward me easily. I am fluid and receptive to wealth. Money flows to me effortlessly. I sustain and nurture abundant energy. My wealth flow is clear, strong, and unstoppable. Thank you for releasing blocks and letting wealth flow in. Practice daily and watch your financial energy transform. If you feel this reset, please like, comment, and subscribe. You are worthy of unlimited financial flow.